How to turn your photos into cartoons in Canva. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn any photo into a cartoon in Canva. So let's get started. Now, Canva has several different AI tools that help you in converting different photos into cartoons. So for this, first off, you can go to Uploads, click on Upload here, and then the next thing you're going to do is, or you can use custom size, it depends on you, but I prefer going through Uploads. Tap on Uploads and then open up a blank presentation. This is a blank presentation. If you don't want the one that has color, you can use a blank presentation. And then the next thing you're going to do is top right corner, I'm going to name it. Let's name this blank presentation. Let's name it cartoon photo. Cartoon photo, for example. This is cartoon instead of cartoon. It's a mistake, cartoon photo. And then the next thing I'm going to do after naming it, remember I've already clicked on uploads, and then choose the picture you want to upload. The next thing I'm going to do is highlight the picture like this, and up here you see edit, tap on edit, and then you go for Magic Studio. So once you look for apps, tap on apps here. Don't use my channel to use a particular app, which is Cartoonify. So we have Cartoon Filter, Cartoonify, and Cartoonist. Let's start with Cartoonist. Let's see what to do. Okay, Cartoonist helps to turn text into cartoons. Okay, so we don't want Cartoonist then. Let's use Cartoonify. To help make your images look like cartoons, to add a playful twist to your photos, provide an image and watch the magic unfold. So you can see an example here. So we tap on open. Then we tap on Cartoonify and replace. Unfortunately, I've reached my credits limit. I had 3 credits. Refreshes at 23, 39, 18. So, but I've actually done this before. Let me show you how to look. This is how to look. You use Cartoonify. So you can see, I compare, there's a difference. Also, I also used the next one, which was, let's go. I used cartoon filter also. So I used the cartoon filter, the first one here, to generate. But remember, I don't have credit, so I can't actually do it now. But I've done it before. I'm going to show you how it's going to look. So tap on customize and replace, and tap on customizing your image to replace it. So let's see what it looks like. This is it. So this is the filter. So it can go into a cartoon filter. This is the original picture. So be careful with the credits. We're not using the premium version. So I've used Cartoonify, I've used Cartoon Filter, you can also use Cartoonist. But Cartoonist means you type in the text and it will create an image for you. So as you can see, there are different, several different alterations in Cartoonify. So you don't have to necessarily use this particular application. There are others that you can help you in building different types or styles of cartoon. You can also go to the apps and search for anime. You can decide to use the anime version of it. So go to apps here and then you search for anime. You can also make it look like an anime. You can see the different types of anime liner, subtitle animate, anime style, anime file, the different versions of it. Let's see if we can do this without credits. To help you to elevate your photos to the next level with anime style, let's see. Two credits remaining. I can have credits for this, so let's identify and replace. So this is the anime version of the picture of our image. So now we have more applications that we can try out. You might say, what's the purpose of converting pictures or photos into cartoons, anime? Well, it can actually help you in really different variations of images. As you can see, we have different variations of this image. It can actually help you to do that, as well as building comics. So if you're looking to add images to a presentation, but you don't want, realistic images, your presentation theme is, maybe cartoon-like images, so you can use these amazing filters. So like, as I've put them side by side already for you to observe them, different variations of cartoon. So we can do more than this, but this should be enough for now. So you can see the comparison. You can also go into apps one more and then choose another anime style by clicking on open, and you can even describe the image that you want. Let's do that. Let's go and describe the image you want. Let's go again, go to apps and describe the image that we want. So let's go to use anime file. We want to use anime. So let's say we want to use image animate. So you can see there are different styles. You can see. Let's see how to use this one. So this one helps to turn text into image I want. So you just type in description, and you can just type in girl walking through the fields, walking through the fields. Generate and give it a few seconds to generate the image you want. And you can see it's what it gave me. So there are different ones. You can use sketch, you can upload it, you can use a transparent background, you can use colored background. There are different variations. You can remove the background. So when you go back to anime, you see you have different variations of anime under the apps. You can see them, different types. We have the animator, animator, animated subtitles. We have design to image, random image upscaler, scale image, blend image dreamer, and there's still many image animate. Then if we go to cartoon itself, we can type in cartoon. I want to type in cartoon, so we have 3 for that. So we also have for anime, we have for sketch, so anime also, we have different types. Any of them we have for sketch. You have sketch to write photo to sketch. Yes, you can use any of them. So any category you want, you can do it like that. There are many variations. And you can choose the one that is best for your presentation. That's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment below.